Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieved this gorgeous hairstyle. I achieved this passion twist using a Brazilian wool. I've already shown you guys from the beginning the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching and I'll keep on explaining. You know I love to do that for you guys. This pink Brazilian wool is very tiny, so I use 12 strands to make the twist. First strand of Brazilian wool. The color black, I use 8 strands of Brazilian wool. I did everything possible best not to allow this hairstyle to be long. You know I love long hair, so I did everything possible, but at last this Brazilian wool was still long, so that was why I didn't braid it to the end. I braid it to the halfway, then I tie a loop, then use a lighter to burn the tips a little bit. If you don't want to burn the tip, no problem. So you can see I'm just twisting this Brazilian wool now. I told you earlier I make use of 8 strands of Brazilian wool to make these twists. I'm done. I made 100 strands of this lovely crochet twist. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be cutting the rope. I'm going to be making use of this kebab stick. You can see the way I'm applying the twist into the stick. Then I'll start rolling. It. When I get to the tip, I'm going to be using a Brazilian wool to hold it down. But if you want to achieve yours, do not use a Brazilian wool to hold it down. You can use a yarn wool. Yes, yarn wool is very easy to take it down more than you using a Brazilian wool to roll it down parts. So I just keep rolling. Then I'm going to be using a wool. You can use a elastic band, but I don't want to use all this band because I'm going to be using like 100 pieces, so I don't want to waste it. So that is why I use a Brazilian wool. But if you want to do yours, you can use yarn wool to hold the tip. I later use yarn wool to hold the other rest, so that was how I knew that it would be very easy for you to take down with a yarn wool more than Brazilian wool. When I'm done rolling all day, I'm going to be adding hot water. I'm just showing you guys. I had hot water. I'm going to be leaving it for like 10 minutes or 8 minutes inside hot water. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be using this hand dryer just to dry it, because you know Brazilian wool, I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of like a fabric. If you put a lighter on it, you see how it melts. So the hand dryer is going to melt it into the shape you roll it to the kebab stick. Do you grab that? So after I'm done using hand dryer to dry it, I'm going to be taking it out. So just showing you how I'm taking it out. I'm going to start crocheting the hair now. I've already crocheted 1 strand, so I start crocheting the other one. I was just normal crocheting. This was not the crochet method I meant to use. I wanted to use this hair to achieve another look, but the look didn't work out. I was like, let me just use this style I weaved just to use just to crochet on it, so that I won't start making another hair again, because I need to upload this video. So guys, thank you so much for supporting. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my lovely channel. I really appreciate your love and your support. May God bless each and every one of you for joining my fam. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please hit on the like, subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I just keep on crocheting. I didn't even finish the 100 strand of the crochet. I used 95. I was left with 5 strands of the crochet passion twist. I'm done crocheting the hair. At the end, I was just smiling because I really love the outcome of this hair. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you so much. Just look at the look. Look at it. Oh my god. I'm really in love with this hairstyle. Can you see the little pink just pumping, as in it's not really showing trees, just really picking little by little. So I'm just adding some accessories to it. You can style this hairstyle anyhow you like it, anyhow. So just popping some accessories. Can you see how this hair is beautiful? So beautiful. Oh my god, you can pack it anyhow you like it. I'm really feeling this hair. You know, when something is just ginger in my body, as in ginger.